Alright, let's talk. I'm seeing something incredible happen right now, today, in 2025. People just like you are discovering a new way to make real money. It's not some complicated scheme or a get-rich-quick fantasy. This is a real, tangible side hustle quietly creating a new wave of income for thousands of Americans. It's powered by something you hear about every day, artificial intelligence. But this isn't about robots taking over the world. It's about you taking control of your financial future, one small, simple step at a time. This is the year many people are finally putting AI to work for them. You should care because it's accessible. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a huge savings account to get started. What you need is a little time and the willingness to learn. We're calling it the AI services side hustle. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how people can earn extra cash. A few $100s a month. For some, it's become thousands. That kind of money can be life-changing. Pay off a credit card, fund a vacation, give yourself breathing room. Why now? Why is 2025 the magic year? Technology finally caught up to the dream. AI tools are incredibly powerful. They're surprisingly easy to use. So, what is this big secret? It's actually very simple. The AI side hustle is about using artificial intelligence tools to help you create and sell simple digital services. Think of yourself as a manager or a director. The AI is your new, incredibly fast assistant. You guide the AI to do the heavy lifting, like writing a first draft of an article, creating a cool image, or outlining a video script. Then, you come in. You add your human touch. You fact-check, you edit. You polish the work until it's perfect for your client. You are the quality control that makes it valuable. The beauty of this model is its low cost and high efficiency. In the past, selling writing services meant writing everything from scratch. That takes a lot of time. Selling graphic design used to require expensive software and years of training. Now, AI tools can generate a solid foundation in seconds. This lets you complete jobs faster, handle more clients, and earn more money in the same number of hours. You're not selling raw AI output, you're selling a finished, human-verified product that was made with AI assistance. Small businesses need a constant stream of content for their websites and social media, but they can't afford a full-time marketing agency. Online entrepreneurs selling on Etsy or Shopify need hundreds of unique product descriptions. YouTube creators need catchy thumbnails and video scripts. These are real businesses with urgent needs and budgets. They don't care if you used AI, as long as the final product is high quality and solves the problem. This is where you come in. Position yourself on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. You become the reliable, affordable solution for their content needs. You're not just clicking a button and sending the result. You are providing a valuable service. You are understanding the client's request, using the best tools for the job, refining the output. I know what you're thinking. This sounds good, but does it actually work? Let me tell you about Mark. Mark is a 34-year-old dad from Ohio. He has a full-time job in logistics. He has 2 young kids. His evenings were usually spent watching TV, feeling tired from the day. But he wanted to get ahead of his bills. He heard about this AI side hustle. He decided to give it a shot, even though he felt he wasn't a tech person. He chose one simple service to start, writing product descriptions for online stores. He figured every online seller needs them. Mark spent one weekend watching free tutorials on YouTube. He learned the basics of a popular AI writing tool. He practiced with it, asking it to write descriptions for things around his house, his coffee maker, his daughter's favorite toy. He tweaked the results to make them more engaging and personal. He called it, "I will write 5 compelling product descriptions for your Etsy shop." He set his price low, $30, to get his first clients and build reviews. The first 2 weeks were quiet. Mark almost gave up. Then he got his first order. A woman who sold handmade candles needed help. Mark used his AI tool to generate 5 descriptions. He spent an hour editing them. He added sensory words like warm vanilla, crackling wick. The client loved them. She left a glowing 5-star review. That review acted like a magnet. Soon another order came in, and then another. Within his first month, Mark had 10 clients and made $300. It wasn't a fortune, but it was real money. Fast forward 3 months, Mark got smarter. He created a simple template for client messages. He started offering small add-ons, keyword suggestions for an extra $10. Positive reviews kept piling up. He raised his price to $50 per job. Now Mark consistently earns $200 to $500 every month by working a few hours each evening after the kids are in bed. One of the best parts about this side hustle is the huge variety of services you can offer. You don't have to be an expert in everything. In fact, it's much better to pick one thing and get really good at it. Think of it like a restaurant menu. Offer a few amazing dishes, not 100 mediocre ones. This focus helps you become an expert faster and attract the right clients. First up, writing. Biggest and most accessible category. Everyone needs written content. Short blog posts or articles, 500 to 750 words, for small business websites, product descriptions for Shopify or Amazon, social media captions, professional emails and newsletters for businesses, scripts for short promotional videos. The AI can generate a great first draft. You refine tone and keywords for the client. Next, visual content, custom graphics for social media posts, eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube videos, unique blog post headers. You don't need to be a traditional artist. Learn to write effective prompts to guide the AI. Getting started with this side hustle won't break the bank. That's the real magic here. You don't need to invest in expensive software or fancy equipment. Most tools you need have free versions or affordable plans. Start earning first, then reinvest profits. Let's build your starter toolkit. For writing, you have many choices. ChatGPT, Claude, Google's Gemini. They all have robust free tiers. Use them to brainstorm ideas. Use them to write drafts. Use them to check grammar and tone. Spend time trying each to see which you like best. For organizing, Google Docs. For organizing, Notion. Create client folders and keep drafts and final versions organized. For images and designs, Canva. Free templates for social posts and slides. Plus, AI image generators with free credits to build your portfolio. Starter Pack. A free AI writer, a free design tool, and a free marketplace profile. That's it. You have everything you need to land your first client, you know. Okay, you know what the hustle is and what tools you need. Now let's get down to business with a simple, actionable plan to get you from zero to your first paying client. Don't try to do everything at once. Just follow these steps one by one. The goal here is momentum. We want to get you that first win fast. That first sale is the proof this works. Let's map your journey to that first paycheck. It's a clear path. Start walking today. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is the most important step. Don't just say, I'll be an AI writer. Be specific. AI-assisted blog posts for plumbers. Engaging product descriptions for handmade jewelry on Etsy. A specific niche makes you an expert and helps you stand out. Pick something you have some interest in. Spend 1 hour researching on Fiverr. Write down 3 ideas and pick the most achievable one. Step 2. Create your samples. You need to show people what you can do. Create at least 5 high-quality examples with free tools. Make them look amazing. These samples are your storefront. They are what will convince a buyer to take a chance on a new seller like you. Step 3. Build your gig listing. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and publish. Write a clear title, show your best samples, and be specific about deliverables and timeline. As with any new venture, there are common bumps in the road. Knowing them ahead of time helps you navigate and keep moving. Many people who start this AI side hustle make a few simple mistakes. Good news, they're easily avoidable. Be mindful and deliberate to build quality and reliability from day one. The biggest mistake, overpromising and under-delivering. Be honest about capabilities and limits. AI is a fantastic tool, but it's not magic. It can make factual errors. The writing can sometimes sound generic. You're the human filter. Never copy-paste AI output and send it as is. Always read it, edit it, and fact-check it. Another pitfall, poor communication. Short, clear, professional updates build trust. Final, common mistake. Underpricing for too long. Once you have 5 or 10 positive reviews and steady inquiries, raise prices gradually. Value your time. As you get faster, your work is worth more. Aim for sustainable, not cheapest. Now, a serious talk about responsibilities. Accuracy and plagiarism. Fact-check everything and use plagiarism checkers. Be transparent if asked about your process. Respect 100% human-only requests. Avoid copyrighted character prompts and living artists' names. Clarify usage rights. Know the platform's terms. We've covered a lot of ground. What this AI side hustle is, how it works, proof like Mark, services you can offer, simple tools, a step-by-step plan, mistakes to avoid, and ethics to uphold. It might seem like a lot, but it all boils down to taking small, consistent actions. The opportunity is real, happening right now. Powerful, low-cost AI tools, massive market demand. This isn't passive income, work learning dedication, but the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a lot of money, just a bit of time and curiosity. With steady effort, this can become a true source of extra income for you and your family. So, what's the single most important thing you can do right now? Take one small physical action. Search a ChatGPT beginner tutorial, watch a Canva free tutorial, browse Fiverr niches for 30 minutes. That's your homework. Create a free AI account, write one practice product description, design one sample thumbnail. This AI side hustle is real, it's achievable, it's waiting for you.